Welcome, today I'm showing you how to hide photos into a gallery in your XIAOMI Redmi 10C. First of all, open your gallery, standard application, and then press and hold to select your photos. For example, these two. Then on the bottom we got Add to Album button, press, and choose here Private Album. Now we got message. To view the items you made private, swipe down in Album. Tap OK. And now you need to set up your private password, so tap Next. Here I need to sync in with me account, so choose your folder for updates, so then tap Sync in with my account one more time. And now need to log in into your XIAOMI account. I'm this account I'm connect with my Google account, so I'm going sync into Google account and XIAOMI account too. Now set up privacy password, maybe this one for example, and one more time, and tap Next. Here we got message at me account to be able to reset your password in case you forgot it. Not now. Okay, we add successfully 2 photos, and now go to our albums and press and hold and drag to bottom. And we got message privacy protection password will be used. It works for photos, notes and hidden folders. So tap OK, press cancel, and now enter our privacy password. And here we got our 2 photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.